Removing a Vivint Doorbell camera requires disabling the security system and power before disconnecting the device. This tutorial outlines the steps for a safe removal process. What the process does: the removal process involves disarming the Vivint system, cutting power to the doorbell, and physically detaching the camera from its mounting plate. This allows you to replace or remove the doorbell without damaging the wiring or the device. Steps to remove the doorbell camera. First, disarm your security system. Open the Vivint Smart Home app on your phone, then press and hold the green armed icon in the center of the screen. Swipe down to the disarm option. You can also do this from your smart home panel if you prefer. Once the system is disarmed, go to your home's breaker box and turn off the power circuit that supplies the doorbell. This helps you work safely while removing the device. Next, locate the small security set screw at the bottom of the doorbell unit. Use a T5 security screwdriver to loosen or remove the screw. Finally, unscrew the mounting backplate from the wall or door frame and remove it completely. Limitation: this process requires a T5 security screwdriver. The doorbell is powered by a low-voltage circuit, but turning off power at the breaker is still recommended for safety. This method is best suited for users who are replacing the doorbell or removing it permanently. Conclusion: removing a Vivint doorbell camera involves disarming the system, turning off power, loosening the security screw, detaching the camera, disconnecting the wiring, and removing the backplate. Use a T5 screwdriver and cover exposed wires if no replacement is installed. The steps ensure the device is removed safely without damaging the wiring or mounting surface.